everyone, welcome aboard. We're gonna start this way and just put our fancy gloves on. I didn't zip up my pocket because that looked really trashy. We're putting our white gloves on because we're going to dinner on our cruise ship. It's a really fancy cruise ship and our whole family's here. Let's go on an excursion. Swim! Other way! Swim! Woo! We're swimming with the dolphins like a good tourist. Oh my gosh, the boat's sinking! Climb up! Down! Climb high! Down! Reach! Woo! You are not going down with this ship! Get in your lifeboat and row! Row around! Other way! In a circle! Okay, back to those gloves. Except we're in the middle of the ocean now, cause our boat sank. You see another boat in the distance. You have to swim to it. So I need you to walk to the side and shake your buoys. Swim! This way! Make sure they notice you. I need your buoys at attention. Last one! Oh, this one's going down too. Climb! Reach! Okay, you found a door. Row it! Circle! Haley, your oar is massive. Last one! Wait a minute, Rose kicked us off our door. We're sinking into the ocean. Why, Rose? We all know there's room for two people. I don't want you to give up just yet. I want you to swim back up and grab Rose's ankle. Down, reach! Grab her ankle and pull her down! You deserve to be on that door, not her privileged self. Row your door, row your door, row your door to shore. You see Rose's red hair floating in the water. Oh, you're done. We made it. We hope this video made your activity rings go a little bit higher. If you want to watch the official video, click right here and click here for 60-minute sweat sessions. We do them every single week. And also, we just restocked Active Booty. It's our own activewear line. Link is below. We are already selling out fast.